if we look at the pattern, not the expansion, so the most globally successful peoples, all of them are the entrepreneur, scientist, leader, and the creator. But if the trend comes to talk about the environment, so I think that what exactly matters is that the three key things. First, access to opportunity, quality education, internet, mentor, startup, or the creative culture. Second, freedom to experiment, not being punished for failing or thinking differently. Third, explore to the ideas, being surrounded by the people doing the ambitious thing. While the countries like the US, mostly in the US, the Silicon and LA, Japan, Sweden, South Korea, and India, increasingly the city like Mumbai, Bangalore, and the Delhi, and trying to produce a more successful people and mostly what exactly the matter is the ecosystem, and they support to the new learners for learning, innovation, and the individuality. But does the success are really limited in those areas? How much does environment really matter? Environment matter at the start. It shapes your early mindset, gives a limit your access to the tools, mentor, and the network. But the mindset that drive matter much more over time. A person born in a small town with internet access, discipline, curiosity, and persistence can now outgrow the advantage of someone who born in a Silicon Valley or the Mumbai, but the lazy or distracted. So think about it. Elon was born in South Africa, Satya Nadella born in India, and APJ Abdul Kalam born in a poor family. Oprah Winfrey born in a rural area, and Jack Ma rejected from the dozens of jobs in China. Sundar Pichai from Chennai, India, and they were not born into the perfect environment. They created their own. So how much environment matter for success? Let's quickly we can simplify it like the factor, approximate, contribution, and nodes. So see, the first, environment, family, country, city, education system. 30% it's literally matter, and the second is mindset, discipline, vision, resilience, and risk taking. It's matter 50%. So almost we know about 80%, right? 30% environment, 50% mindset, and the third is that network and timing. Who you meet when you act is matter 20. Comes naturally once you stay consistent. So your environment matter, but it's not what matter more is whether you keep learning every day, build a global connection online, create your own opportunity even if none of them exist nearby. So you just have to learn every day and build your connection online as much you can and create your own opportunity even if it's not existing. A simple way to turn on any environment into your advantage, even if you are not born in a top city or country. And the first is that use the internet as your global environment. Every tutorials, courses, and the mentor is just one click away. And the second is that join a global communities like the GitHub, and you can also able to get the chance on the Discord server or the creative communities. Third is that document your work, share it on the LinkedIn, anywhere, any platform that you are using. Fourth is surround yourself with the ambitious people, and the fifth is that use a local struggles as a motivation. Many great stories come from the people who turn limitation into the inspiration.
Success isn't where you start, it's what you believe. Every step, every heart, we rise and we achieve. Don't forget to subscribe, join the journey bright. Together we'll climb, reach the light. Remember, believe, and let your dreams take flight.